Here are my top 3 reasons why your workouts aren't working. Mistake number 1, lack of consistency. It takes a consistent effort over time for your body to adapt to your workouts. It is possible to work out only twice a week and still see results, but the key is consistency. It's okay to take downtime, but let's plan around the downtime so that we can make it work with your workout program. Life happens and you will miss workouts, and that's okay. What matters the most is how quickly you can bounce back from life's hiccups and get back on track. Be patient, stay consistent, and you will see results. Mistake number 2, not having a workout plan. Random workouts equals random results. Does this sound like you? Yoga on Monday, maybe spin on Wednesday, maybe you'll do some abs on Friday after your 3 to 6 mile run. While your intent might be to try to keep things interesting and fresh, you might be just costing yourself results. Don't get me wrong, you can get great results from doing yoga, spinning, and running, but the key here is to make sure we have a plan so that we can progressively move towards your goals. The key in making physical changes in your workout is to progressively increase your volume and intensity as you get more advanced. I know that it can get boring doing your workouts for 3 weeks, but the truth is if you really want to make change, you have to repeat these workouts so you can progressively get better at each one. Working with a coach to design a workout just for you can make a huge difference. Mistake number 3, forgetting the basics. If you've spent any time on social media, I'm sure you've seen these exercises that seem like they're a 10-step choreographed dance move. While these exercises might look fun on Instagram, they're just not that effective. Instead of trying to find fun and interesting exercises on the internet, just stick to the basics. Basic movements like running, walking, pushing, pulling, squatting, lunging, and hinging are all basic movements that we do in everyday life. Sticking to these basic movements and planning your workout around them allows you to increase the volume and intensity of your workouts quickly so that you can see changes faster.